Hey guys, we want to focus today on continuing our discussion on breaking cycles. We are going to focus on the resilience, envy, and the long game of the purpose found in Genesis 37. What is your biggest setback? What if your biggest setback is actually your greatest setup? Today we're diving into Genesis 37, a story of a favorite child, a coat of many colors, and a betrayal that changed history. If you ever felt like the world was against you, you need to hear this. From the pit to purposes, Genesis 37 isn't just an ancient story about a dysfunctional family. It is a masterclass in how destiny survives even when people try to destroy it. We start with Joseph, the dreamer. He was the favorite, wearing the famous coat that signaled his father's chosen status. But favor often breeds friction. His brothers didn't just dislike him, they were blinded by envy. When Joseph shared his dream of leadership, his brothers didn't see a future, they saw a threat. The lesson here is your vision will often be misunderstood by those closest to you. The narrative shifts quickly from the heights of a father's love, the depths of a dry citron. In a moment of calculated cruelty, Joseph's own flesh and blood stripped him of his identity, threw him into a pit, and eventually sold him for 20 pieces of silver. To the brothers, they were getting rid of a problem. To the trader, they were buying a slave. But to God, a journey was beginning. As Joseph was led away in chains towards Egypt, the chapter ends with a grieving father and a blood-stained coat. It looks like a tragedy. It looks like the end of a dream. But Genesis 37 teaches us that God's providence is often working behind the scenes of our pain. The very road the brothers chose to get rid of Joseph was the exact road God used to position him for the palace. Joseph was sent ahead to save the very people who tried to destroy him. If you are in a pit season right now, remember this. The pit is a transition, not a destination. Your coat can be taken, but your calling cannot. Keep walking because Egypt is coming, and after Egypt, the throne. Joseph's story proved that no one can counsel what God has called. This message encouraged you. Hit that like button and subscribe. As we go deeper into God's Word, draw a comment below with the word dreamer. If you're trusting the process even when it's hard, and I'll see you in the next video.